Hey everybody, welcome to the short video on the auto physical damage schedule. My name is Ben Rank. I'm the manager of products and risk management with CIVMIC. Here to talk a little bit today about purchase price and how we engage the purchase price of a new vehicle that we're going to add to our schedule versus the add-on equipment and how those values might interact. So in the fleet schedule, you notice this 2021 International looks like a fairly heavy duty administrative vehicle that I added to the fleet schedule. And I want to go in and explain a little bit more about what I can include in the purchase price versus purchase price and add-ons. And so members right now have really a couple different options when it comes to purchase price. For anything new, if you're adding a new vehicle, we'd really like you to add the purchase price of the vehicle itself and then add on and build up any permanently affixed add-on equipment down below. And so if we're adding something new, that's the preferred method. And the reason why we prefer that method is if the vehicle would be involved in a loss or a claim or be damaged, we want to be able to show the individual add-on equipment and what those values were rather than lumping everything into just the purchase price above. So what we see some members do is they will actually get an invoice, a build-up invoice. They might get the invoice for the vehicle, and then they might get the invoice for all the pneumatics and hydraulics and add-ons. And maybe instead of just 150,000, that is $275,000, something like that. And they're just going to lump that all in to the purchase price up here. That's an okay way of doing it. And you've basically incorporated all of the add-on equipment inclusive of the vehicle up above. And I could, in theory, click my vehicle radio button here that I've attested that all the add-on equipment is there, and then save changes, and that would add that particular vehicle to my schedule for the $275,000 inclusive of the add-on equipment. However, if that vehicle is involved in some type of crash or a claim again, we know what that vehicle is valued at, but depending on which add-on equipment is involved in that damage or which may be damaged, we may not know the exact price of those add-ons because it's all lumped into one value here. And so the preferred method would be to take the purchase price of the vehicle and include that here at 150,000, and then take and adjust my permanently affixed add-ons to account for the additional value down below. So I may add in a push bar, for example. I'm just going to put some fictitious things in here. Maybe we've got a Tommy and a lift gate with some significant value there. Maybe it's a heavy duty one. We've got a crane and a hoist on this vehicle at another 50,000. And you can see my value is going up in terms of the permanently affixed add-on equipment to build up to my ultimate replacement cost. So although the 150,000 still remains the price of the vehicle itself, I'm also including this value here, which as of this point in time is at 80,000 of permanently affixed add-on equipment, then totaling to the replacement cost built into the system at 266,112. So I'm just going to cancel out of this. So one of the things that we encourage members to do is go through your fleet schedule. For anything existing, just double check that the value that is currently listed is inclusive of any permanently affixed add-on equipment, but we do ask for new equipment. Anything that you're adding new, that you do go in and down in this bottom left corner that you do parse out, if you will, or schedule the permanently affixed add-on equipment down below, and then just include the purchase price up above. And remember, as always, service first and insurance always. Thank you.